What a day it has been today. No, it's been a day. It's been one of those days where it's been really busy. I have got curry, which I actually made, and rice. I wouldn't really had rice, but I did have a taste of it a minute ago, and I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna have rice instead for once. I just can't. Curry with mayo, yum. Anyway. That definitely burnt the top of my fucking mouth. That chicken, it doesn't even look hot. I mean, they just seem steamed, but what's the actual hell? That was hot. I'm gonna blister there anyway. Anyway. So I had my nephew today from like 10:30 till 5. And then we went out. I met some other friends. And then we took the little ones to like this play area. It was like a pet shop, but in the back it had that was really gonna fucking burn the top of my mouth. I can feel it already. What am I saying? Oh yeah. Pet shop, and then it had a cafe and like a play area at the back. It was really cool. And then I had to come back. I had to go and pick my niece up from work at 5, drop her and the boy home. Come back because I had a man picking up my two-seater sofas, so I just gave them away free. They've been like 3 years old, so I just gave them away free on Facebook. So somebody came and got them at 5:30, and now I'm in the lounge with nothing apart from a garden rocking chair, which I got from TikTok. Right, a big one, and you sit on it. Anyway, so my new ones are getting delivered tomorrow between 4 and 7. So, fingers crossed. On a serious note, like, I know people just chuck things out there. Like, oh, you've got this, you've got that, you've got this. But obviously being on TikTok for so many years, I guess people just notice you. And like, there's 3 things that people say to me that is not offensive. I don't mind. Do you know what I mean? Have you got ADHD? Have you got dyslexia? Have you got dyspraxia? I'm like, have I? I don't know. Like, I want to be one of these people that are like, oh yeah, let's diagnose me and shit like that. Do you know what I mean? Like, no, I'm not like that. I won't go on any medication or anything like that. It's just, would be good to know. I feel like it just gets into your head, doesn't it, when people say it about you? Not in a nasty way. Like, I think I was at dyspraxia, isn't that motor skills? Oh my god. You actually have like a blister coming there. And ADHD, you always think it's like all crazy, innit? And then apparently dyslexia and ADHD are actually quite similar diagnosis, aren't they? I mean, it wouldn't change anything. It'd probably be good to know. But, I don't know. You can't get diagnosed. You can't get tested for things anyway, I don't think. NHS should be waiting for fucking years. You can go private, I guess. I don't know how much it is. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm a bit of an oddball. But yeah. Maybe I'm just loopy and thick. I'm not cleverest, I'm a bit. I wouldn't say thick. No, it is what it is, isn't it? I just don't know. But anyway, I guess, I don't know. It is what it is, isn't it? I guess. There's too much chicken on here. If I'm honest, I'm not overly hungry. I've been so busy. Have you eaten? If you haven't, eat something. I'm not overly hungry, and here I am still eating something. Do you know what it is? It's because I put it with rice. But let's mix it up a bit. Now I've done it, I'm like, I shouldn't have done it. Do you know what I mean? Oh well, done now. Anyway, I'm going to go sit in my garden chair in my living room. Have a good evening.